Hello, dear children. Now it's time for some answer keys. We will discuss certain answer keys for the lesson Children at Work. Okay, so this lesson belongs to the book It So Happened. Okay, comprehension check, page number 9. Fine. So in each section there were certain pages, as you could see. In fact, in the book, it's page number 9. If you can see, there are total 5 questions. Okay, so we had discussed the questions. Now we will discuss their answers also. Okay. Well, what's the first question? Velu stood on the platform, but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? So let's discuss its answer. Here is the answer. Okay, Velu had run away from home. Being a small boy, he was naturally tired, hungry, and afraid of the ticket examiner. Okay, as he was alone there. Okay, he was alone and he had run away from his home. Okay, and in fact, he was hungry and afraid. Hungry means bhook lagi thi. Okay, and what do you understand by the word afraid? Afraid means he was scared, डरा हुआ था. To whom he was scared? He was scared of the ticket examiner. So what did he do? He lay down near the compartment door. Okay, near the compartment door. So when you move away from the train, what happens? आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि आप अभी भी ट्रेन में ही बैठे हो. सो ही कुड नॉट get over the feeling that his train journey was over. Okay, so that is the reason he still felt that his train journey is not over and he's still inside the train and the train is moving. Okay, so ये आपके साथ भी हुआ है. We have already discussed this particular matter while explaining the lesson. Okay, now it's time for the second question. What made him feel miserable? Okay, what made him feel miserable? Let's discuss this. Miserable means unhappy. Okay, miserable means unhappy. So, which thing made him unhappy? Velu was alone, tired, and hungry. He didn't have a ticket, also, so he felt miserable. So, what did he feel? He felt miserable. So, he was alone, अकेला था. Tired means already he was uneasy. Uneasy means tired, बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया था. Hungry we have already discussed. So he didn't have a ticket also. So he did not have ticket. So he felt miserable. Miserable means quite scared and uncomfortable. Okay. So because of these two, three reasons, he was feeling miserable. And third question, Velu traveled without a ticket. Why? How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Escape means टिकट कलेक्टर के से दूर कैसे भाग पाया वो. एस्केप मीन्स टू मूव अवे, कहीं से भागना, निकल जाना. ओके, हाउ डिड ही मैनेज टू डू इट? आंसर फॉर दिस, वेलू ट्रैवल्ड विदाउट अ टिकट बिकॉज ही हैड नो मनी. एज ही हैड नो मनी मीन्स ही वॉज ट्रैवलिंग विदाउट मनी एज ही हैड रन अवे फ्रॉम हिज होम. उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे. ही हैड नो मनी and he escaped the ticket collector's notice because the ticket collector did not come to that unreserved compartment. Okay, so in the compartment where, in the compartment which was unreserved. Unreserved means वहाँ पे रिजर्वेशन के बिना ही बैठा जाता है. सो टिकट कलेक्टर्स वहाँ पे पहुँचते नहीं हैं. So they never reach that place to collect the tickets. That is the reason he easily escaped from ticket collectors attention. Ticket collectors attention, attention means what? So he could not find वेलू. ठीक है, वो वेलू को ढूंढ नहीं पाया. ओके, ही वॉज नॉट सर्चिंग वेलू. इन फैक्ट ही वॉज नॉट सर्चिंग वेलू, बट स्टिल इट्स टिकट कलेक्टर्स ड्यूटी टू कलेक्ट द टिकट्स. राइट, टीसी की ड्यूटी होती है टिकट कलेक्ट करना, बट स्टिल वो कंपार्टमेंट ऐसा था जहाँ पे अनरिजर्व्ड जो रहते हैं सीट्स वो रहते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न he did not need to reach that place and collect the tickets. Okay, so now next is question number 4. Why had Velu run away from home? It's very interesting question and important also. Velu had had run away from home because of the misdeeds of his father. Misdeeds means his father had done something wrong with his family. Okay, so who used to snatch all the money from him and his sister. So he and his sister used to earn money by doing some laborious work. बचपन से ही मजदूरी करते थे. So because of that, he could not just manage to find out, save his expenses. And because of that reason, he did not have enough money, as his father used to snatch away all their earnings. Snatch, what is meaning of snatch? Snatching means taking away, है ना, छीन लेना किसी से कोई चीज़. So he also beat the children. He also beat the children means वो मारते भी थे. He used beat means to just torture somebody physically. Okay, physically किसी को torture करना, that is meaning of beating. Fine. And then there is question number 5. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? Okay, that is question number 5. Okay, so answer to this. Velu agreed to go after the strange girl. Strange girl. Who was strange girl? Jaya, जिसके बारे में हमने बात की थी. Okay, the rack picker girl. Because he was hungry and the girl promised to get food for him. Okay, this is how she helped him. Okay, now it's comprehension check for page number 13. Can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Okay, this section was also covered. So what is he able to read English and Tamil both? Velu could not read signboards in English. Okay, he was unable to read the signboards. Reading का section क्यों cover किया जा रहा है? Because as they were on the street, he was observing certain signboards, but he was unable to read English. Okay, but he read the Tamil sign on the central jail. As central jail was there and तमिल में वहाँ पे सेंट्रल जेल लिखा हुआ था, he could read it because he was a Tamil boy. Okay, then question number 2. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. Okay, so the question refers to what is she referring to? What does she mean when she says if you are not careful? Very important. Okay, the girl led Velu to marriage hall. Sorry, this is question number 2. She is referring to central jail. It means about what? Behind the bars. मतलब आप जेल में पहुंच जाओगे if you do something wrong. So she is referring to central jail as they were standing in front of central jail. Okay, she pointed out to Velu that doing wrong was not so important as escaping the police or getting caught. Okay, so look at the mentality of that little girl. What is she telling us? That if you are not careful, you will be caught. If you are not careful, so it means उसके बोलने का मतलब क्या है? तुम केयरफुल नहीं रहोगे तो तुम पकड़े जाओगे. तो ऐसा कौन सोचता है? हु थिंक्स इन दैट वे? वन हु इज़ डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट गर्ल, डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इज़ नॉट बैड. उसके हिसाब से कुछ गलत करना गलत नहीं है, बट पकड़े जाना गलत है. पकड़े मत जाओ, बट दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. एज शी इज़ रैक पिकर, उनका वो कल्चर ही होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशंस दे डील विथ, बिकॉज ऑफ द हंगर एंड डिफरेंट नीड्स फॉर फूड, डिफरेंट नीड्स फॉर मनी, वो मजबूर होते कुछ चोरी वगैरह करने के लिए. सो शी मेंट टू से जस्ट डोंट गेट कॉट, बट इट्स रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस. ओके ओके फाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वहाँ पे थोड़ा क्वेश्चन सीक्वेंस इज क्वाइट मिसलीडिंग, वो शायद गलत सीक्वेंस है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के आंसर हम अभी रीड करेंगे, बट वहाँ पे गलती से 3 लिखा हुआ है. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज. ओके, वेयर डिड द गर्ल लीड वेलू टू? व्हाट डिड दे गेट टू ईट? ओके, वो गर्ल ने वेलू को कहाँ ले गई और उन्होंने क्या खाया? सो आंसर फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, the girl led Velu to marriage hall. They got some food from garbage bin. It was leftover food. Okay, what kind of food was it? It was leftover. Leftover means बचा कुचा. Okay, remainings बोलते हैं इसको. In English it is remaining. Remaining food, जो waste food होता है. And she led him to marriage hall. Led means lead का past tense. Led, LEAD, lead. Lead means साथ में ले चलना, आगे बढ़ते हुए. Move ahead and keep someone with you, leading. Okay, so this was the question answer for question 5. As I told you, गलत number डला हुआ है वहाँ पे. Then what work did she do? Think of one word answer. Okay, answer is not given here, but I'll tell you what work she was doing. She was a rag picker. Find out this word from the text. And then it's page number 5. There are 3 questions. What material are the strange huts made of? Why does Velu find them strange? So, question number 1 has 2 sections. First and second. What material are the strange huts made out of? Means strange huts. What do you understand by this? वो जो छोटी छोटी झुग्गी झोपड़ियाँ होती है गरीबों की, especially for rag pickers. Strange means weird, something very weird, अजीब जो होता है. Okay, so how they were made? Okay, by which material they were made? Material, I hope you understand the meaning of the word material. Why does Velu find them strange? Okay, why does Velu find them strange? So let's see the answers. Velu को strange क्यों लगते हैं, अजीब क्यों लगते हैं? The strange huts are made out of tin sheets, bricks, wood and plastic. Tin sheets means made up of tin के जो metal के जो sheets होते हैं, and bricks जो ईंटें होती है. Okay, and then wood and plastic. So these are the materials used for making those huts. And here in second section, why did he find it strange? उसको वो अजीब क्यों लग रहे थे उधर? Velu finds those huts strange because in his own village the huts were made of mud and palm leaves. Okay, the huts were made of mud and palm leaves. Okay, because of that reason those things were actually why they must have used palm leaves, because most of the South Indian places are coastal area. Okay, so coastal means near the seashore, samudri kinara जिसे बोलते हैं. So there are a lot of palm trees there, so they use palm leaves to make huts. And apart from that, uh, what is Velu's experience? Velu usually lived in his village in the huts made up of mud. Okay, his village means उसके गांव में. So made up of mud. Mud means what? The soil, wet soil जो होते हैं, कीचड़. उसको अच्छे से suppress करके then they create some nice uh, sort of material, and they just place it in such a way that they will be able to create a hut. And they also use palm leaves. Leaves means पेड़ की पत्तियाँ. Okay, so which tree? Palm tree. Fine. Then third question, is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Okay, that is the next question. Is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your answer. Velu is not at all happy. Okay, he is not at all happy. He had never done such a dirty job in his village. Which dirty job he is the narrator talking about? Dirty job means picking the rags, kachra uthane ka kaam. Okay, he had never done such a work. That is the reason he was not at all happy. Okay, because he had never done such a dirty work in his village. Okay, so as he was in that place, he could not just expect these things to happen. Okay, so we have done with 14 minutes here, and in the remaining time you can start writing. Okay, we have this the previous lecture also, previous lecture uh, wherein we have not discussed the answer key. I'll provide you the answer key of previous lesson also, don't worry about it. And we have done with comprehension checks जो इसके लेसन के बीच बीच में जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सो एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस आर स्टिल लेफ्ट. देर आर हाउ मेनी टोटल क्वेश्चंस? Fine. So there are 2-3 questions in page number 16. I'll discuss them later, but for now you can just manage to understand the answers of these questions. I'll provide you the notes later. Okay, till the time, thank you, take care.